Hello, it's Martin. I want to change stuff for my headphones. So, a couple years ago, you'll find a link where I bought these headphones and I thought they were great. But, as you can see, look, all the stuff's coming out, the glue. Oh, it was horrible. So, I went on Amazon and I bought myself a packet of these. These are not made by Corsair, but they are a third-party company that makes. It's made in China, so it's just a rip-off. But hopefully they're good. You'll find links for this. Hopefully it works. So I'm going to show you how to replace this. So this is just a very quick video. So if you find yourself you need headphones, these earbuds, just look it up. So they're still the good, not a good board, but they are good anyway. Well, they did in my night. Oh well. So all they do, you just twist and they come off. Simple as that. So, yep. So that's them off now. And all they do is you just line up. There's always a line. Do they have a right or left? No, they generally just both the same. So that's the old ones. Perfect. They are now on and secure. Let's see how comfortable they are. Yeah, nice and comfy. So yeah, this is a very quick video on how to replace your earbuds on your actual thing. So if you find that your headphones are damaged like these were, just go on Amazon, search it up, look on iFixit or any YouTube videos, how to replace it. You don't have to spend hundreds of pounds for a new headset, just go find it. I could have got glue, but this was a quicker option. So these are now going to go into the bin, which is a shame, but it happens. Wear and tear does happen. So a very quick video how to replace your ear muff pods things. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.